Chill out and cozy up to Sunjoe's stylish collection of cast stone fire pits. With a wide selection of durable, visually appealing bases, Sunjoe's rugged, rustic line of 28 and 35-inch fire pits are ideal outdoor centerpieces wherever warmth is needed, and are the perfect accompaniment to outdoor family fun, patio parties, backyard barbecues, and fall football festivities. Featuring large steel fire bowls that are heat resistant up to 1,112 degrees and can accommodate hardwood logs up to 21.5 inches long, these hardy hearths will add warmth to any occasion and a sophisticated touch to any outdoor decor. Safely enjoy the fire pit experience with the included wire mesh screen, which protects against flying sparks while providing an open view of the fire. Plus, the 24-inch screen hook lets you safely remove the screen when the fire is burning to add or adjust logs as needed. Choose from natural, charcoal stone, or rustic wood. A Sunjoe fire pit's the perfect addition to add a little heat to your outdoor entertaining. And every Sunjoe fire pit comes backed by our complete 2-year warranty for years of warm and cozy family fun. So when the temperature's low, go with Joe and keep the chill in check in comfort and style with Sunjoe's complete line of stylish outdoor entertaining cast stone fire pits. Get equipped.